All right, another thing that I wanted to show here was when you create this VM, you can, oh no, it's the virtual network, sorry guys. So where is virtual machine? Virtual machine. Okay, so that machine is running, and now we're going to add another machine. I'm just going to network watcher. So we'll talk about this in a little bit. Okay, so WinRiver RG virtual machine name. I'm just going to type something because we're not really going to create it. So once again, same user, same password, none, next disk, next networking, next management, next advanced, next tags, VM create. All right, so when you come here, actually you have two options. You can either create the machine or you can download a template for automation. And basically the idea is uh, whatever things that you used to create that machine or whatever you selected, the same thing you can keep using to create a new machine that's basically the exact same configuration as this machine. AWS, we have the same option. Google, if you guys go back and look at the create VM instance creation, there are two options. One is create VM and create VM template. So that's basically the same thing here. But the one in Google is far more intuitive. The one in AWS is also pretty much the exact same. And that's kind of another thing. That feature did not exist in AWS. But Google had this feature. People are like, okay, this feature is good. AWS copies that feature. Uh, some feature basically Google doesn't have, AWS has. Google is going to copy that feature into uh, their Google Cloud. Now we're talking about Azure, which didn't have the multi-AZ setup, like for the it doesn't still have it for a lot of regions, but that is something the other two cloud providers provide, and that's coming here. So that is another thing, that the edge that you have when you know about multiple clouds. Like sooner or later they are going to provide you these features. The features are going to get replicated, and when it does, you won't be just caught by surprise. All right, so next thing we're going to do is connect to this machine, but I'm going to pause and take a drink, eat something, and I would say you guys do the same. Guys, something I want to show you guys, deleting these resources manually. So I'm just I've been here for like 10 minutes and I'm just going one at a time. Get it up, get it up, get it up, resources. Right now it's removing the bash on test, and like up until I delete the machines, I won't be able to remove this network resources. And actually here, the first instance, it has actually been dropped. Okay, so now it's deleting Bastion host, Bastion test, but it still shows up here. So basically cleaning up of resources, very important, but a huge pain. Let's see if it lets me delete this. But yeah, this is why I say, like, and I prefer Terraform way, like, I will probably, when I create and destroy one of my setups, I will probably add it to the end of this video and show you guys how easy it is using Terraform. That's all for now. We're going to delete network because the subnet is being used by that machine. So I'm going to have to delete one resource, wait, delete another resource, wait, one more resource, wait. So it's going to take me like an hour or two. All right, see you in the next lecture, guys.